Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of May 2025. We just got finished the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room. There were a number of these today, so many wonderful trades. Now, you'll see over here that the PVI was really, really high. We had bad bond news today, and that dropped the market 1,600 ticks in 1 hour, and it just kept right on going. So, but over 2,000 ticks for the afternoon. Needless to say, trading with the trend was the way to go today. So, again, we look for the failure, which we found up here. 3 times we failed at this particular line. We get a massive, strong candle, as indicated by the red arrow pointing down. As we know, if you've been with us for any length of time, that is a Samurai Day Trading proprietary indicator. It says when you see this, you want to go in this direction. So the first thing that I want to do when I'm trading short here is I want to look over here at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be between, say, 150 and 180 ticks long. So I could use a larger ATM, but I'm going to go with my customary 20s, 50s, and 100s. So 2 times 20, 1 times 50, 1 times 100. We're going to put a cover order on, wait for the retrace. If the retrace happens, we'll move the order to the body of the candle. So let's see, it's rocking and rolling today. This is a trade actually taken in live in the room today. So here we go. So we're going to sell, move it under as a cover order. If we get any kind of a push up, reasonable push up, well, we didn't get it. Okay, so we got to put our stop where it belongs. And now we may have to be in a bit of a sweat. We'll see. No, first target's out. Now, as we know, we're in a break-even position. So if it takes me out at break-even, I have to decide whether I want to re-enter the trade. So I'll get a new trade ready. And if it comes back and takes me out at break-even, notice my stop went from all the way at the top here, all the way down. That's a break-even position. I can re-enter the trade. Sometimes things don't go on the first try. But that's what the ATM does. It protects you against a move going in the opposite direction. All right, again, I got to put the stop where it belongs, way up here. It belongs actually further up. But again, first target gets taken out, I'll do the same thing. I'm going to sell again. If it comes out and takes me out at break even, I'll put another order on. There you go. Well, there's another order. That's a bigger retrace, so I'll go ahead and enter off the body of the candle this time. Very good. Now, if it just runs long, my ATM just protected me. Twice then I got my first target taken out. My ATM protected against just this type of move. So now if it comes up here and fails again and picks me up, high probability we're going to go in the opposite direction. You can see that with the PVI what it is, it's just rocking and rolling. And we'll wait till we get picked up again and our first target's taken out, and then we'll speed it up just a little bit. Okay, what's the first thing we got to do? We got to move our stop where it belongs. Okay, that's a better retrace. Half the candle's done, and we're back where we started. All right, takes out our target again. I'm going to get another order ready. And again, if my stop gets taken out at break even, I'm going to put another order on. It's just the nature of the market today, where it's just very, very volatile. So I protect myself by taking out my first target as quickly as possible, moving my stop to a break-even position. And then if I get taken out, it's taken out above where my order was. And I can always re-enter the trade if I want to. So now we're waiting for our second target to get it taken out. So 20s are taken out for the third time. We're trying to get our 50 tick target taken out. Okay. And now we'll go ahead and we're just going to leave that alone. We're not going to re-enter. We'll speed it up a little. Now, as we get closer to the end of the candle, you might say, well, we're getting really close to my 100 tick target. We got to about 85 ticks. We should start squeezing this trade. But we'll just let it go. See how we make out. There we go. We got taken out right at the start of the next candle. Fantastic. Well, that was a really good example of why we use the ATMs that we use and how we can keep re-entering the trades while we hedge our bet to make if the market wants to turn and run the other way. We keep getting taken out of break even until finally it pays all of our targets. Eventually, that trade took just over 5 minutes to accomplish and was worth 1,025 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 1,025 US dollars in a little more than 5 minutes, come join us at samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com, and come join us in the live trading room. We look forward to seeing you then. Until tomorrow, God bless you, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.